Hi guys, welcome back to the day 11 of analyzing Euro USD. After a long time, I'm streaming, and I hope that you had a lovely day yesterday, or maybe took some trades. Okay, so it's 11:54 right now. Okay, so the daily candle has been flipped today. Mm, we have a news inflation rate. Okay. It's at 12:15. Let me see if it's a red folder or not. Okay, so today 12:15 we have some news. I don't think so that we have. Okay, in the evening, um, inflation rates. Yeah, so we have Joel's opening. Okay, so 7:30 p.m. In the NY session, we have USD news. That is George job openings. Right now we have just yellow folders, but still, with the yellow folders, even we are having good volume. Anyways, let's see. Um, let's come on the daily time frame. Anyways, let's see. Wow. Okay, so on the daily time frame, I can see that this daily candle has been flipped. As you can see, this daily candle has been flipped. So all I can see that today might be a bullish volume that we can see. Let's come on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so this was the trend on the 4 hour time frame. It just grabbed the liquidity of this low, and now it's heading up, and it's a no wick candle. Okay, this is a no wick candle, but it's looking very weird right now. We have equal highs on the 4 hour time frame. These are the equal highs, and we have 2 hours 31 minutes left to close this candle. Okay, so I'm expecting that this candle might take the liquidity of these, and then we can see a reversal. Let me see on the 1 hour time frame. What's happening on the 1 hour time frame? So on the 1 hour time frame as well, I can see that this was a head and shoulder pattern, and then now these equal highs have been eroded by this candle. So this imbalance, when we had this imbalance, this dump we had, so it was covered by this trend line. Understand this, that there was a heavy imbalance which is cancelled by this trend line. Okay, so there's a liquidity above. Here's the liquidity, and I'm expecting if it takes this liquidity, we can drive more down. Let me see on 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see on 15 minutes time frame as well, there's a bullish structure, and this high has been taken by this. There's a equal highs over here, and it's been taken by this candle. Now we can see on 5 minutes time frame. So overall trend, you can see that right now the market is moving in the bullish side. All you can see is, let me mark the highs and lows of the previous hourly candle. This was like this and like this. Okay. So the two possibilities that we will have a continuation from here, or either we will have a reversal over here. Okay, we only have two possibilities right now. So if we spot that we are having a reversal on the low time frame, we will go for the sell side, and if we see the continuation, then we'll see. So hourly candle is looking super bullish, and as well, if you see 4 hour candle, the 4 hour candle is also looking very bullish right now. But let's see how many pips. 20 pips, 17. Okay, so it might be that we get some kind of rejection from this side. So let's see if we can get any reversal to the downside. So we will take a bearish trade on a 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so on 4 hour, this is not anymore a no wick candle because there's a small wick as you can see over here. But it's a strong bullish candle, and as well daily candle also flipped. But if you can see that this daily candle, if it breaks this high, we will be considering it as a bullish, or if it fill the half wick. Let's see how much. It's 30, right? Already crossed 15. Okay, so either we will get the bullish like this. Let me just, it will take the liquidity of equal highs on a 4 hour time frame and will get rejected from this area and will drive down. Either we have this possibility, or it can do like before also, because it already covered the half wick of the daily previous candle. So if we get any reversal from this side, I'll be looking for a bearish trade. Let's see. It's already 12:07. And also we have a news in the evening. Let's see if we can get any reversal right now. So we gotta wait for the reversal. Let's wait. And till 12:30, we're gonna wait. Today the market is super bullish. I must say this because the daily candle has been flipped. But again, there's a heavy rejection area from here. There's a buy side liquidity, and as well there's a fair value gap which can act as a rejection. And also, if you see that there was an imbalance right over here, there was an imbalance which is cancelled by this trend right over here. Euro USD was very bad since few days. Yeah, I mean, it was not having good volatility. Like previous week, it was so choppy. I mean, I couldn't even look at the charts that time because there was a lot of news as well, right? So because if we have news in NY session, the London session gets too much choppy and slow, so there was no volume at all. It is very, very difficult to trade that time. I mean, Euro USD is a in journal it's a slow pair. Okay, so we gotta wait. It's just 12:12 until 12:30. We're gonna stream, and if I take any trade after that, I'm gonna post on my Discord, whatever it is, and I'll also update about my funded account challenge. We're already in the premium zone, so I okay, so it's super bullish. This candle is super bullish. That's because there's a liquidity upside here. We have a lot of liquidity. So I want that this liquidity to be taken out, and I'm expecting then a reversal maybe. My bias would be bearish. Yeah, I mean, if we get the reversal, we'll take the bearish trade. So if I see in the weekly time frame, we are in the premium zone according to the weekly time frame. I never went to the monthly time frame. Oh yeah, we have a monthly closing as well. So definitely, if I look at this candle, I would be expecting to have a bearish trade as well. So we gotta wait for the reversal. Let's see if we can catch the trade today. Can you update the challenge in the Discord? Yeah, I will do. I'll do today. I'll update that, and I'll also make a different channel about the PNL for the challenge phase. So it would be more clear. When we have yellow folders as well and orange folder as well, we have enough volume. I must say that. Like in Euro USD, it's different case. So we are making it to the displacement. Let's see if we can have the proper trend structure. I feel when the price move like this, like tripping like that, because then we don't get a proper trend structure. So if you see, if we observe on 1 minute time frame, what do you see? We see that there's a good bullish trend, and if you see, this is a trend line. To me, it's a trend line liquidity. Okay, so the trend line liquidity, when it grabs the trend line liquidity, if you see the same thing for the 5 minutes time frame, it's a fair value gap of 5 minutes. So the faster the price move, the faster it grabs the liquidity. But I'll be only sure if we get proper trend structure to the bearish side, then we'll look forward to it. I like more of this movement when the price goes like this steadily. Okay, let's see. Mm, so on 5 minutes time frame, we are about to get a bearish fair value gap. Okay, so 2 minutes left, and we'll get this fair value gap. So most probably, if I have a short position, I'll be risking very less on this position, but um, might be this and like this. Something like this would be my position after this candle forms. So I'm gonna place my sell limit like this. Where are you? Okay, so 1.17385. And the stop loss, it would be at 1.17595, and the tip is gonna be 1.17184. Let's see if we get activated. Okay, so I think that on 5 minutes time frame, it didn't tapped. Still is left by one. Okay, I think it's activated. Fine. So this is gonna be a setup, whatever it is, TP or SL. I'm gonna take it. Mm, so, oh my God. Okay, so this is the position, guys, and it's already 12:30. Let's see how it plays. I already got activated by this entry. Let's hope that we're not stuck in the consolidation. And okay, let's review on the 15 minutes. It's happening. So we are already in the premium zone on 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we have a rejection candle. If you see that there was a bearish fair value gap right over here, and it filled it and it just closed below this. So it might be a sign, but it also can happen that there could be a wick fill of this candle. Let's see on 1 hour time frame. Okay. And the daily also is giving the rejection on this area. Let's see. The only thing is that there is a buy side liquidity above on the 4 hour time frame. So that's the case. And today it might be slow cause of news. Yeah, that's possible because we have red folder news in the NY session. So before that, all the whatever the movement is, it's all choppy. But we never know, right? Let's see. So guys, this is gonna be our position. Let's see if we get TP or SL. I'm gonna update you on my Instagram, or I will update on my Discord channel. And tomorrow we can review this trade, what happened with it, and why did it happen. If we have SL or TP, we can discuss that. If you have any questions, we can take that. Also, if you're not on my Instagram, you can join my Instagram. You can subscribe my channel. And that's all for today. So we stream till 12:30. And today I started my stream actually a bit late. So I'm expecting that tomorrow I'll be on time, 11:30. So if you guys want to join me for tomorrow, you're most welcome. And I'm happy that you guys are joining my streams to see my challenge phase and my forward testing phases. So that's all. So I might be ending the stream now. If you guys have any questions, you can just put on the Discord. Thanks to you. Thank you, Crypto World. Thanks to you actually for joining my streams. So I hope that you enjoyed the stream today, and we did the analysis of today of Euro USD as usual. Uh, Tomorrow I'll see you guys at 11:30. I hope that you guys join over there and join my Discord and my Instagram. So see you guys tomorrow. I hope you trade well and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you guys.